Hello and welcome. This is Mrs. Geis, and today we're going to explore geology and fossils using our Earth History LearnEd notebook. So go ahead and open up your notebook to page 6 and we'll get started. Geology is the branch of science involving the physical composition and history of the Earth. Physical composition: Earth's rocks and layers. Earth's history: investigating fossils. Fossils are the bodily remains or impression of an organism preserved in petrified rock, classified based on how they were formed. Carbonized fossils are created when parts, such as leaves, stems, flowers, etc., or the whole organism are pressed in between sediment layers until all the matter is squeezed out and only a carbon imprint remains. The second type of fossil is a cast fossil. They form when a mold is filled with sediment and hardens into the shape of the organism. The third type of fossil is a mold fossil. These are produced when an organism is buried by sediment and the sediment turns into rock. The organism decays, leaving only a cavity in the rock shaped like the organism. The next type are petrified fossils, which are formed when minerals soak into a buried organism. They replace the organism's remains and turn into rock. Next, preserved fossils. They are created when parts or a whole organism are prevented from decaying due to being trapped in amber, ice, rock, or tar. Trace fossils occur when sediment hardens into stone, where an organism's burrow, footprint, or track was left behind. Now go ahead and use the chart on page 7 to investigate each of the fossil types you just learned. Provide a detailed description while explaining its importance to geology. Locate a picture or find a specific example of each type of fossil and sketch it under example/picture. On the very left side where it says fossil, you're going to list the different types of fossils we just learned. Carbonized fossils, cast fossils, mold fossils, petrified fossils, preserved fossils, and trace fossils. In the middle column where it says description, go ahead and look in your notes to write a detailed description of each type of fossil. Do your best work, as your teachers will be checking in class. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.